Hello everyone, welcome back to Tumbling Sky. There is no Chloe. Sorry, Tumbling Sky and Coco. Today I will be showing you how to do bars, tumbling, this is tumbling, this is just a regular mat, and this is a rolling mat. Okay, first I'm going to start with the bars. First thing I'm going to do on the bars is a back flip on the bars. And I suggest you, when you do this, I suggest you to wear like pants that you won't get hot in it. So all you have to do, like how you do it, swing your legs, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's how you do that. Okay, I'm so dizzy. And then, okay, so I'm gonna do my back hip circle. So don't think I'm gonna do my back hip circle because I'm not very good at it. And like, I'm good at it at gymnastics, but not at home. Okay. Alright. So this is how you do it. So 1, 2, 3. Yes, I did it! Alright. And then pull your toes and then come down. And then one more thing. Super easy. To wait. I'm acting so weird. Almost the same thing as a back flip. I'm just gonna do a front flip. But if you didn't notice, my hands for the back flip were like this. For the front flip, it's gonna be like that. And then 1, 2, 3, and then if it helps you, cross your legs to get up. Alright, now let me just do it a whole bunch of times. 1, 2, okay, I'm horrible. Okay, now time to move on to tumbling. Alright, just rolling mat. Just move that out the way. Just pull this up again. Okay, no, wrong way. Alright. Just throw that to the side. Flip this. Oh, ow. Alright. So, I will be doing a back rollover. And you will have to have your arms to your side. And then roll back. And if you haven't watched my other gymnastics video, go watch that right now. Okay, I will be doing the front rollover. Basically the same thing. Lay your head on the corner of the mat. You push up. Okay, not like that. But push, you bend your knees, push up. Like that. And like that. Done with this one. Done with mat. Number 1. Just, okay. Go back to the side. Okay. And now, I don't know what this is called. Tumbling, I think. Tumbling, I could do a whole bunch of stuff. Just excuse my sign. Over stuff. Okay, for tumbling, I'm going to be doing a back bend first. So I'm going to be like doing like 18 tumbling stuff. So back bend. Oh, I feel better. Back bend, you have to do this. And then backing out your back. That makes no sense, but who cares? And then regular feet. And then arms up. And then just bend back. And I'm making it seem easy. Okay, so I just did a back bend. My day is getting shorter, so I won't be able to do the 17 more. But that's fine. In my next video, then I'll do it. Okay, so make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and hit the like button. Comment down below if you loved this video, and just say #love it. And thanks for watching. Bye!